You're looking for the easiest way to profit with binary options, and this is going to be it. I'm going to break it down for you. Super simple. All strategy settings are down in the description on my Telegram channel. We do have something a little bit different here, but it's going to increase probability of winning. So step number 1, we have our cross of our moving averages. Step number 2, you're going to see that our moving averages are headed in the same direction. In this case, they're pointed up. Step number 3, we're going to have our CCI. You can see it is in the danger zone. Step number 4, we have our parabolic XR. And then step number 5, this is where we have our new setting, which is going to be the Williams percentage. You can see here that both of them are headed in the same direction and in the danger zone. This is when we're going to want to take our trade. We can actually take it in 2 different spots. So the first place that we would take it is, of course, going to be after our cross, and it's going to be right here. Now, another thing is that I've changed it from 5 seconds to 15 seconds. I actually took the screenshot prior to changing it, and I still won. We can hit it here, and we can hit it when we are up in the danger zone, and we can see that it's actually pretty extreme, right? So we would hit it here, or we can hit it right here. I personally would do it after we have this little kink right here. So if you take a good look, you're going to see that our moving averages, they're headed in the upwards direction, but right when we get to this point right here, we have a very big increase, right? That angle went up. So this is when we know that, hey, this candle and this candle is going to be significantly higher. These are the little things that you want to take advantage of and watch out for. Another thing is make sure that when you are going for a buy, you are above the SMA. When you are going for a sell, you are below the SMA. Anybody can do this. If you are looking for the easiest way to increase your balance to profit consistently, then this is going to be it. You can also access all of my strategy settings. So if you are ready to do that, link is on the screen, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.